Hello everyone, in this video let us solve this question. So we have in bracket square root of 18 plus square root of 12 plus square root of 6 all over square root of 18 minus square root of 12 plus square root of 6 all raised to power 7. What is the value of this? So to solve this solution, we are going to say that let x equals square root of 18 plus square root of 12 plus square root of 6 divided by square root of 18 then minus square root of 12 plus square root of 6. So with this, let us then solve for x. So we have x is equal to, we can write square root of 18 as square root of 3 times square root of 6 plus square root of 12 can be written as square root of 2 times square root of 6 then plus square root of 6 all divided by square root of 18 can be written as square root of 3 times square root of 6 then minus square root of 12 can be written as square root of 2 times square root of 6 plus square root of 6. So looking at this, at the numerator, we have a common factor which is simply square root of 6. So factorize out square root of 6, we are left with in bracket square root of 3 plus square root of 2 plus 1 divided by, looking at the denominator, we have a common factor square root of 6, then factorize that square root of 6, then we are left with in bracket square root of 3 minus square root of 2 plus 1. So with this, we have the value of x to equal, this cancels this, we have square root of 3 plus square root of 2 plus 1 divided by square root of 3 minus square root of 2 plus 1. Next, this equation can be written as x is equal to, in bracket, square root of 3 plus 1 then plus square root of 2 divided by, in bracket, square root of 3 plus 1 then minus square root of 2. So multiply this numerator by the conjugate of this, which is simply multiplied by, in bracket, square root of 3 plus 1 then plus square root of 2. So multiply it also with the denominator. We have in bracket square root of 3 plus 1 then plus square root of 2. So multiplying the numerator, the value of x is equal to, in bracket, square root of 3 plus 1 then plus square root of 2 all raised to power 2, and this is divided by, so making use of this rule, that if you have in bracket a minus b multiplied by a plus b, this equals a squared minus b squared. So this denominator follows this rule. So this then becomes, we have in bracket square root of 3 plus 1 then all squared minus in bracket square root of 2 all squared. So from here, also applying this rule, that if you have in bracket a plus b all squared, this equals a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Applying this rule right here, the value of x, that x is then equal to, in bracket, square root of 3 plus 1 all squared plus 2 times square root of 2 times, in bracket, square root of 3 plus 1 close bracket plus, in bracket, square root of 2 all squared divided by, this will give us a value that equals, in bracket, square root of 3 all squared plus 2 times square root of 3 then times 1 plus 1 squared. Then square will cancel square root, we have minus 2. So with this, we have the value of x, that x is equal to, so square root of 3 plus 1 all squared is then equal to, in bracket, square root of 3 all squared plus 2 times square root of 3 then times 1 plus 1 squared. Then we have plus 2 times square root of 2, so plus 2 times square root of 2 times square root of 6 is equal to square root of 6. Then 2 times square root of 2 times plus 1 is equal to plus 2 times square root of 2. And again, square will cancel square root, we are left with plus 2. So plus 2. and this is then divided by square. We cancel square root, we have 3 plus 2 times square root of 3 times 1 is 2 times square root of 3, then plus 1 squared is 1 minus 2. Next, we have the value of x, that x is equal to square. We cancel square root, we have 3 plus 2 times square root of 3 times 1 is 2 times square root of 3 plus 1 squared is 1, then plus right here plus 2 times square root of 6 plus 2 times square root of 2 plus 2, and this is then divided by, so we have, okay, 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 minus 2 is 2, so we have 2 times square root of 2 plus 2, so we have this 2 times square root of 3 then plus 2. Next, the value of x, that x is equal to 3 plus 1, 4, then plus 2 is 6, then plus we have 2 times square root of 3 plus 2 times square root of 6 plus 2 times square root of 2, all divided by 2 times square root of 3 plus 2. Next, the value of s is equal to, factorize out 2 from the numerator, we have 2 into bracket 3 plus square root of 3 plus square root of 6 plus square root of 2 divided by, also factorize out 2 from the denominator, we have 2 into brackets square root of 3 plus 1. So square will cancel square root, we have the value of x, that x is then equal to 3 plus square root of 3 plus square root of 6 plus square root of 2, and this is divided by square root of 3 then plus 1. From here, we have the value of x, that x is equal to, we can write down this 3 as square root of 3 times square root of 3, then plus we have square root of 3, then plus square root of 6 can be written as square root of 3 times square root of 2, then plus square root of 2, and this is then divided by square root of 3 plus 1. Next, the value of s is equal to, factorize out root 3 from the numerator, we have root 3 into bracket, we have root 3 plus 1, and also factorize out root 2 from here, we have plus root 2 into bracket root 3 plus 1, and this is then divided by root 3 then plus 1. So x is then equal to, we have a common factor, root 3 plus 1, root 3 plus 1, pick 1, we have root 3 plus 1, then in brackets we have root 3 and plus root 2, so root 3 then plus root 2, and this is then divided by root 3 plus 1. This divide this, the value of x is equal to root 3 then plus root 2. Now, since we have gotten the value of x, the goal is to solve for the value of x raised to power 7, okay? So, to solve for x raised to power 7, we are going to cube this equation. This becomes x raised to power 3 is equal to, in bracket, square root of 3 plus square root of 2, all raised to power 3. So then, making use of this rule of indices, that if you have in bracket a plus b all raised to power 3, this equals a cubed plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus b raised to power 3. So applying this right here, we have the value of x raised to power 3, and this equals, in bracket, the square root of 3 all raised to power 3 plus 3 times, in bracket, square root of 3 all raised to power 2 times square root of 2 plus 3 times square root of 3, then multiplied by, so multiplied by, in bracket, square root of 2 all squared, then plus, in bracket, square root of 2 all raised to power 3. So x raised to power 3 is equal to, this will give us a value that equal 3 times root 3, then plus square will cancel square root, 3 times 3 is 9, then times square root of 2, then plus, so square we cancel square root, 3 times 2 is 6, so 6 times square root of 3 plus root 2 all cube is equal to 2 times root 2. So with this, we have the value of x raised to power 3. This equals, so 3 root 3 plus 6 root 3 equals 9 root 3. Then plus 9 root 2 plus 2 root 2 equals to 11 root 2. Next, we are going to square this equation. So we have this, we have in brackets x raised to power 3 all squared. Then this equals in brackets 9 times root 3 plus 11 times root 2 all squared. So x raised to power 3 times 2 is 6, and this equals, making use of this rule, that if you have in brackets a plus b all raised to power 2, this equals a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Applying this rule right here, this then becomes in brackets 9 times square root of 3 all raised to power 2 plus 2 times 9 times square root of 3, then times 11 times square root of 2, then plus in brackets 11 times root 2 all squared. So x raised to power 6 equals 9 squared is 81. 81 square we cancel square root. We have 81 times 3 is equal to 343. Then we have plus 2 times 9 times square root of 3 times 11 times square root of 2 is equal to 198 times square root of 6 plus, so 11 squared is 121. Square we cancel square root. 121 times 2 is equal to 242. Next, we have the value of x raised to power 6. X raised to power 6 is equal to, so 343 plus 242 is equal to 485, then plus 198 times square root of 6. But recall that we to solve for the value of x raised to power 7, okay? And meanwhile, the value of x from here, the value of x equals to root 3 plus root 2. So writing this down, that we have the value of x, x is equal to root 3 plus root 2. So to then solve for the value of x raised to power 7, this then becomes, we have x raised to power 7, this equals in bracket 485 plus 198 times square root of 6, then multiplied by x, we have root 3 plus root 2. So multiplying x power of 6 with x, we have x raised to power 7. So x raised to power 7 is equal to 485 times root 3 is 485 root 3, then plus 485 times root 2, 485, then times root 2. So plus 198 root 6 times root 3 is 198 root 6 times 3 is 18. Then plus 198 root 6 times root 2 is 198 times root 6 times 2 is 12. So x raised to power 7 equals 485 times root 3 plus 485 times root 2 plus 198 times root 18 is 9 times 2 plus 198 times root 12 is 4 times 3. So with this, we have the value of x raised to power 7, and this equals 485 times root 3 plus 485 times root 2, then plus 198. So root 9 is 3, so times 3, then times root 2 plus 198 times root 4 is 2, then times root 3. Next, x raised to power 7 is then equal to 485 times root 3 plus 485 times root 2 plus 198 times 3 is equal to 594, then times root 2 plus 198 times 2 is 396, then times root 3. So from here, we have the value of x raised to power 7. This equals, so adding 485 root 3 plus 396 root 3, the value is equal to 881 times root 3, then plus adding 485 root 2 plus 594 times root 2 is equal to 1079 times root 2. And this is the final answer to the solution of x raised to power 7. So with this, I hope you all learned one or two from this video. Do well to like this video, subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching. God bless you.